In the EPC industry, no two projects are ever identical. Timelines shift, procurement cycles fluctuate, subcontractor dynamics change, and cost control becomes a daily battle. That's why your ERP shouldn't be just another static system. It should be the digital backbone that adapts to your project's unique rhythm. So, in today's comparison, we are putting Odoo ERP and Acumatica Construction ERP head to head. Both are strong players, but their philosophy, flexibility, and total cost of ownership tell two very different stories. By the end of this session, you will see why EPC companies seeking faster adaptability, cost control, and real-time visibility are giving Odoo a strategic upper hand. But before I proceed further with this particular video, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So I've created a side-by-side comparison between Odoo and the Acumatica ERP. So let's hop on to the same. So here you can see that I've created EPC functional comparison matrix between Odoo and Acumatica with different capabilities and what Odoo and Acumatica have to offer. I'll also be telling you why it matters for the EPC industry for each of the capabilities. So if we talk about the flexibility and customization, well, we all know that every EPC project has its unique contracts, schedules, and structures. So according to that, Odoo basically is a modular structure. You can easily configure it and it has rapid workflow tailoring. In the case of Acumatica ERP, it has limited flexibility and relies on fixed workflows. If you talk about the cost efficiency or the total cost of ownership, Odoo has to offer Community Edition that has zero license cost. It also has an Enterprise Edition that is cost effective. On the other hand, Acumatica, it's subscription based. It has higher licensing and module costs. Now, if we talk about the cost efficiency that we just spoke about, well, EPC projects, we all know that they often run on tight cost margins. So this is a considerable thing to understand on our own grounds. Then if we talk about the integration capabilities, well, EPCs basically rely on integrating engineering, execution, finance, and more. So in this case, if we talk about Odoo, it has open APIs, BIM, CAD, IoT ready, and it has a strong ecosystem. While on the other hand, Acumatica, it has limited external integrations. Coming to the deployment speed, EPC projects can't afford year-long ERP rollouts. So Odoo, it has a rapid phased rollout and it is adaptable to project needs, while on the other hand, Acumatica, it is having a rigid implementation cycle. For the project cost control, well, cost overruns are common in EPC industry and real-time control is crucial and critical. So in this case, Odoo, it has a real-time budget versus actual comparison. It also has milestone-based cost tracking, while Acumatica basically, it has predefined costing structure. Now coming to the procurement and inventory, we all know that the material and vendor handling basically defines the site execution efficiency. So in case of Odoo, it has site-wise material tracking. It also gives you subcontractor purchase order flow, while Acumatica, it has standard procurement logic. Coming to the resource and subcontractor management, resource bottlenecks and delays are basically the main thing that impact the project progress directly in the EPC projects. And coming to the Odoo, it has flexible resource allocation. It has a vendor portal. It is mobile friendly. On the other hand, Acumatica, it has standard workflows and it's less agile when we talk about the resource and the subcontractor management. Coming to the analytics and dashboards, well, EPC management basically needs site-wise live KPIs. So Odoo provides real-time role-based dashboards and customizable business intelligence, while Acumatica has good analytics but limited customization options. Coming to the upgrades and innovation, EPC industry always requires agile response to operational changes. For this, Odoo has continuous updates available. It has a large community ecosystem, while Acumatica is vendor driven and it has a slow evolution. Now, if you talk about the global scalability, you understand that EPC firms often manage projects across multiple geographies and infrastructures. So for that, Odoo is available as on-premise, cloud, or hybrid, giving you the complete control, while Acumatica is primarily cloud and it has limited hybrid options. So now let's see which one should you proceed with or you should choose. Now you can choose Odoo if you need flexibility to adapt ERP around your project processes, not the other way around. You want to reduce the total cost of ownership and scale without breaking licensing budgets. And you plan to integrate your ERP with business intelligence there, or the CAD, IoT, or third-party project tools. You also operate across multiple sites or geographies and need real-time visibility. You're preferring a phased, faster deployment instead of multi-month rollouts. You need value control over your data, workflow, and custom features. Now you can choose Acumatica if you have fixed standardized construction processes with little need for workflow changes, or if you're preferring a more turnkey construction package with limited customization, or it seems that you are comfortable with higher subscription costs and longer implementation cycles. So in EPC, agility isn't a luxury, basically. It's the only way to stay on top of the unpredictable project life cycles. Acumatica offers a strong construction foundation, but Odoo gives you the power to shape your own digital ecosystem. It is faster, cheaper, and more aligned with the way EPC businesses actually operate. So if you're looking to build a truly connected EPC control tower, Odoo ERP isn't just a choice, it's a competitive edge. So you can anytime drop us an email at sales@aperture.com to know how Odoo ERP can help your business and help you in streamlining and organizing each and everything within your EPC projects.